Hey guys, long time no see. I know. Okay, so let's start off by explaining why you haven't seen me for so long and why this video is going to be very different than a lot of my other videos. Okay, so first things first, new house that you guys have not seen, and I have lived here for over 6 months. So, where have I been? I moved in, as you guys saw, we did a bunch of renovating, a bunch of redecorating, and we moved in and I went to film my very first cleaning video, and it was, by my standards, pretty flippin' phenomenal. It was a great video. I edited it and I went to upload it and it wouldn't work. My film video editing program wasn't working. So I tried to fix it myself, and long story short, my computer completely crashed on me, completely died in the very beginning of lockdown, shutdown, COVID. So I kind of had a mini panic attack, didn't know what I was doing, freaked out, and put my computer away and didn't do anything with it, which basically is why you haven't seen me in so long. Strangely enough, the channel has grown quite a bit, and I've gotten over 100 new subscribers. So I thought it would be a great time for me to just jump on, say hello, and give you guys a kind of weird video. So without further ado, this video is going to be a single take, no editing, because I don't have a computer and I can't edit anything, and I really don't want to edit on my phone because that just feels complicated and so I'm going to get a computer. I'm going to figure it out. My camera is tucked away and I'm just going to have to do everything on my phone. I needed a few months to just step back, figure out what I was doing. I've had a lot of life changes. I've changed a lot of things in my life. A lot of things have come to an end. A lot of things have started. And so I just had to step back. So this video is just going to be a little bit of an update. And then also I want to show you a couple new things that I got from the knockoff Louis Vuitton stuff. One is Daisy Rose, one is not, and then the other one that I got is actually amazing, but I'm gonna have to show you that in another video because it is in another room, and again, this is gonna be one take and I can't edit, but I will show you those at the end. So stay tuned to the end if you are into the Louis Vuitton dupes and knockoffs. You guys seem to like that video. That's got almost 3,000 views. If I could link it above, I would, but again, I can't edit this. I'm telling you guys, it's been crazy. Oh, and I dyed my hair red. So you used to see me platinum blonde. Well, something took over me about a month and a half ago, 2 months ago, and now I'm a redhead. Okay, so let's talk about, you know why I can't edit, you know why I have not been on for a while, the new house. So we moved into the new house, and I've basically decorated the upstairs, but not the downstairs. We've put in the baseboards, in every place except for the bathrooms, and we have to remodel the kitchen and the bathrooms, but I don't know if we're going to end up doing that because with everything going on, I just don't know if we're going to end up staying here for very much longer, but that's a whole nother video, and we're not going to talk about that now. So we may be moving, we may not. It really all depends on the next few months and what happens with COVID. Okay, so moving on to the very next thing. Every video that I make from now on will be, until I get a computer, which is probably going to be a couple months from now, will be a sit-down video. It will be one take and one take only, because that's how we're going to roll. Luckily, I don't really mind if you guys see me being strange, so that's good. If you have any ideas of things that you want me to film, go ahead and leave it below. I'll probably give you a lot of story times. I can do some sit-down shop with me hauls. Those are good to do like that. I'm going to do a couple DIYs, some recipes. I drank the Kool-Aid and signed up for Young Living. I know. I was like looking to see if I have an oil around me, but I don't because I'm not that into it yet, except for I'm sort of into it, but we're not going to talk about that in this video. And if you're not into it, you're not into it. I won't sell it to you. We're cool. I've always used oils, and since, yeah, I just, it happened one morning. I woke up, I was a little depressed, and I was like, yeah, let's just buy. So here we are. Okay, that happens. That brings me to another thing on this channel. Since I'm going to be doing some sit-down videos, and I've always wanted to address this, I am going to be sitting down and speaking a little bit about mental health, mental awareness, stress, anxiety. I have personally dealt with anxiety my entire life. I can't remember. I do remember when it started. It started when I was about 5. And that is a whole nother story time, and how I was abused as a child, and yada, 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 yada. And so that's how that came about. But my point is, over the last year or so, I have actually cured myself of anxiety. Cured yourself. I have learned to cope with my anxiety. I've learned to be aware of my anxiety. I've learned to, I learned tools that work for me for my anxiety, and I have only had 2 panic attacks in the last year, and they were totally manageable, totally controllable to me. They weren't where I was out of control. I acknowledged I was having a panic attack. I allowed it to take its moment. Luckily, I was in a place where I was safe. I wasn't driving. I wasn't, out and about. I was in my own space, and I was able to allow those emotions to flow, which is important. So I want to talk a little bit more about that and managing that. I also really believe that it's important to empower women. I've always believed this, and in my own life and in my own small community, I have a large group, a small community, a large group, a small community. I have a larger group of women that are around me that I love to support and to acknowledge and to uplift. So that's sort of what I try to do in my everyday life, and I really want to bring that more here. And I haven't really before, because I didn't really know how to mix that in with cleaning videos and all that. But since the universe took my computer away and my ability to edit cleaning videos, I think the universe is like, hey, maybe you should talk about this. So that's what we're going to do. Again, I'm filming in my phone, so I don't know where you at. I think you're over here, but I look over here because I don't have my camera. So anyway, I know this video is a little bit all over the place, and that's okay. That's just sometimes how life is, and I just wanted to be real and upfront with you guys about what's going on. So we are going to dive a little bit deeper into mental health, self-care, acknowledging your feelings, your emotions, how to take care of yourself as a female, as a woman, as a mother, as a, if you're an entrepreneur. There's a lot of things that get put on women on a daily, weekly, minute-to-minute basis even. And I don't think that we are given enough support within our own selves, or the tools to support ourselves. I think that a lot of the times we're sort of left to the stray dogs to be like, here you go, take care of the kids, take care of the job, take care of this, take care of that. And hey, by the way, could you also do this? And a lot of us go, oh, okay. And I think that a lot of what self-care and self-love is creating boundaries for yourself and knowing how much you can take on and how much you need to step back from. And so I really want to get more into that here and sort of go over how we can achieve that. I think I need that as well in my life. I've realized that I allow myself to give and give and give and give, whether that's in my job or in my career. And if you don't know, as a job, I, for a long time, was a makeup artist. And, that's being very close and intimate with people on a daily basis. And you're a therapist in a lot of ways. And I now am a tarot reader and an intuitive healer. So I work even more intimately with people and what's going on with them and their intimate self, their internal selves, and their deepest, darkest places. And it could take a lot out of me as a person. So I love to give back and do that, but I need to learn to give back to myself as well. And that is something that this year has really, really taught me, especially with my computer crashing and everything happening. It was like, you know what? Now's the time that you need to reflect on yourself and you need to take care of yourself. And so that's sort of what I did. I think that's kind of why I bought the Young Living too, is that I was like, it's expensive, and I've always loved oils, and they are good oils, and you don't have to sell them, and you don't have to do all that MLM if you don't want to. And so I was like, you know what? I might as well just invest in myself right now, and I have been very happy about that. So without further ado, I want to show you 2 of the pieces that are the LV Dupes, the pattern that I'm loving. So the first one matches the bag that you guys saw that you love that I gave away, and that is this. Now this, this was an Amazon find, and I wish I could link them down below for you guys, but I have not been able to find them on Amazon since I got them a couple months after, because you know how these things are. They show up on Amazon, you snag them, and then a few months later they get reported because they're such good dupes, and they go away. So this is not a knockoff. This is a dupe for the pattern. It doesn't say LV on it or anything. I know that the video I have is, people have said, I can't believe you bought that. And you guys, I worked for Chanel for years, and when I worked for them, I never bought a knockoff. I never bought a dupe. I respected the company, but there comes a time where, you know, you just got to do what you got to do, and this is cute. So you open it up. Sorry for my makeup case. It's like, it is what it is. But you open it up. It's got these little pieces, and these guys come out, right? They come out, and you can move them around. And then in the top, it has areas for your brushes, and then a little zipper pouch right here. So super duper cute. I love this thing. It's actually really well made too, and really, really like solid. So that's amazing. And the item that I want to show you, but I don't have it with me right now because it's in my closet, is a giant overnight bag in this pattern. And again, it was one of those Amazon finds that I found, and I like put it in my cart, and I thought about it, and I thought about it, and when it was like, there's 2 left, I was like, oh my God, I must buy it. So this was, I want to say $20, $19.99, and then the big bag that I got was $49.99. So it was like 50 bucks, and it is big, and it's got the red lining with like a black or navy sort of line, like lining pattern, like pinstripe pattern. And then the other bag I got is, I got this from Walmart.com, and they still have these, is the Daisy Rose in the white and gray. And yes, it does have, I don't know if it'll come off on camera, a little bit of like a blue yellow, but it's not bad in person. I know some people hate it, some people love it. I like that the actual straps are, you know, just not lined in like a red or anything like that. I like that they're kind of, they blend in. I just like this bag. I think it's great for spring. I've carried it all spring, and I absolutely, summer and spring, is it summer? Oh God, it's fall already, y'all. I carried it all summer and most of spring. So I'm trying to think if I have any other pieces. You guys have already seen the brown one that matches that. So I have that bag in this, and that's the one that I gave away. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, then go ahead and leave a comment. Definitely click the likes. If you want me to give one of these bags away, because I gave the brown one away last year, if you want me to give one of these away, that was not a good angle. Yeah, oh my God. If you want me to give one of these away, then let me know. Oh, I also have this, but I just use it, my keychain. My car is broken at the moment, so I've been using my husband's car, but it's got a place for your cards and stuff like that. So this I actually got when I got the original bag. But if you want me to give away one of these bags, and it comes with the little mini in there, then I'm trying to think of what we should do. Okay, if you want me to give one of those bags away, then let's get this video up to 50 likes. Can we do something like that? I don't know. What I did last time was up to subscribers. So, okay, let's do that. So, I am at 744 subscribers right now. Okay, that's what I'm at right now. 744, I believe, today. Again, I haven't made a video in 6 months. So, thank you all for subscribing. That is incredible. I am super grateful. So if you can get me to 800 subscribers, share with your friends, send them a Facebook, message with this video in it, whatever. Then if we can get up to 800 subscribers, that's only 60 more subscribers, y'all. It's not even 100. If we can get up to 800 subscribers, then I will give away one of these bags. Okay? That is going to be, where do I live? Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So if you can do that, then I'll give away a white or brown one. How about that? You guys can pick. Just let me know which one you want, and I'll have it sent straight from Walmart.com. Okay? So let me know which one you want if we can get up to 800 subscribers. And if we can do that, or when we do that, you will see me back. Okay? And I think that's it. I'm sorry, you guys, that this is so raw and real and kind of crazy. But I've missed you guys, and I've really just wanted to come on and talk to you guys for a while. But like I said, I've been struggling with some things mentally, emotionally, just a lot. So I'm trying to get back to being myself. And in order to be here for y'all, I got to kind of be here for myself as well. So look out for more videos, more sit down videos like this. Please leave a comment below on what kind of videos you guys want to see, what kind of story times you want to hear about, any like DIYs you want. If you want a DIY and I'm not quite sure how to do it, like I'll figure it out. Like just let me know, okay? All right, let's do this.